Today, we use K518 Pro to program Smart Key for the 2021 Honda Fit. Now I have two keys in my hand. The one with the shell is the original car key. The one without the shell is the new key. Now we program it with our K518 Pro. Okay, now let's do it. Select IMO and Remote. Select Honda. Select from Vehicle. Choose Asia. Choose the Fit. Select after 2019. Select Smart Key, push button. Add one Smart Key. Start processing keys. Click OK. Press the Start button twice. Check if the ignition is on. Press the Start button twice. The ignition on. Confirm. Take all the keys out of the car. Then placing the programmed key in the car. We put the original car keys in the car. Take out the new keys. And then hit OK. Take the keys out of the car. Take a key into the car to be programmed. Alright, let's bring in the new key. Put it here. Click OK. Follow the device prompts. Turn off the ignition. Press twice Start button to start it. Turn off the ignition. Turn on again, whether the immobilizer light is off. The immobilizer light isn't twinkle. Confirm. Turn off the ignition in 15s. Press the Start button twice to boot the car. Program completed. Confirm. Let's try the remote control and see if it works. We turn off the ignition. Try the new key. Let's look at the dashboard. Lock. Unlock. Test the original car key. Lock and unlock. Everything's fine. Now let's take original car key out of the car. Then try to start the car. See if it starts properly. Put the new key is in the car. Hit the brakes. Press the Start button. OK, start normal. Let's try the original car key again. OK, the original car key is in the car. Put it here. Hit the brakes. Start the engine. K518 Pro adding Smart Key for the 2021 Honda Fit is successful.